Hello children, welcome back again in your maths class. So, you all are aware that we are doing multiplication. Yes, and in yesterday's video we have learnt about number line and how to do the doubles. Yes, now today we are going to do the multiplication of two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers with one-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Okay, so let's start doing it. Children, so here are your multiplication sums. Okay, now let's start doing it. But before starting it, I would like to tell you that we should learn the tables from 2 to 10 before doing the multiplication sums. Because if we learn the tables, it will become easy for us to do the calculations, right? अगर हम tables सम्स करने से पहले ही लर्न कर लें 2 से 10 तक तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है और हम सम्स को ईजिली सॉल्व कर पाते हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दीज सम्स. ओके, नाउ सी हियर numbers are written. Yes, this is known as multiplier and this is known as multiplicand, right? We have to take out the product, right? आंसर निकालना है हमें और आंसर क्या कहलाता है? प्रोडक्ट कहलाता है. Now let's do the multiplication. 2 2s are, so read the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we will write here 4, right? Now we have to do the multiplication of 2 into 1, right? Because firstly we'll do the multiplication with 1's place value and then we have to do the multiplication with 10's place value. ठीक है, पहले हम 1's वाले डिजिट से करते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन और बाद में हम सेकंड वाला जो 10's वाला जो नंबर होता है उससे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं, राइट? सो सी 2 1s are 2, so our product is 24. Now see here 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So we will write here 6. Now see 3 3s are how much? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we will write here 9. Now see in this manner these are of 2 digit. Now this sum is of 3 digit. We are able to solve multiplication of 3 digit also when we can solve the multiplication ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर बाय 1 डिजिट नंबर, है ना? अगर हम 2 डिजिट वाला मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं तो 3 डिजिट वाला भी हम इजीली कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स डू 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, read the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So we will write here 6. 2 1s are 2. Yes. Now in these questions this is the vertical method, right? This is the vertical method of doing multiplication. In the beginning चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने आपको बताया था कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली दोनों तरीक़ों से हो सकता है, राइट? तो ये तो सम्स आपके वर्टिकल फॉर्म में गिवन थे तो आपने इजीली सॉल्व कर लिया. Now here are few sums that are based on horizontal method. Okay, so these sums are quite easy because here in 10's 1's place value only 0 is there, right? So we can solve these sums very easily. See, we can write the sum in this manner: 20 multiplied by 2. Those two zeros are 0 because we know according to our multiplication fact, है ना? multiplication fact हमने पढ़ा था कि multiplication fact में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें 0 आंसर मिलता है. yes, so we have got here 0 and 2 2s are 4, right? So answer is 40. Now here the answer is 40, right? Okay, now we can do it directly also. हम इसे directly भी कर सकते हैं. कैसे कर सकते हैं? देखो 4 है और यहाँ पर 2 है ना, 2 ज़ीरोज़ का कितना होगा आपको पता ही है, 0 आएगा। तो 2 4s आर 8, सिंपल 8। ठीक है, अब यहाँ अगर हंड्रेड्स वाली वैल्यूज़ में हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है तो भी बहुत सिंपल हो जाता है। कितने ज़ीरोज़ हैं, 2। सो यहाँ पे हम ऑलरेडी 2 ज़ीरोज़ पुट कर देते हैं। Now we have to multiply this number with this number. Yes, 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9. So answer is 900. Okay, अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करके भी सॉल्व करूँ, if I'll try to solve it in this manner to check whether the answer is correct or not. Let's see. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9. राइट, सो इसको हम इजीली ऐसे कर सकते हैं। राइट, ये शॉर्ट ट्रिक होती है और हम इजीली इसको इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट इन योर एग्जाम्स। राइट, नाउ सी, डबल ज़ीरो आर देयर, तो वी विल पुट डबल ज़ीरोस। नाउ 5 5s आर हाउ मच, 25, सो आंसर विल बी 2500। Right, so these sums are very easy to do. Right, students? Now open your page number 107. Okay, and let's do exercise 7D, that is based on these kind of sums. Right, let's start. So here our first question is, first of all the question is find the products आपको पता है मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है that is known as product. Right, so let's start doing it. 5 9s are, so 5 9s are, let's read the table of 5 5 1s are 5 5 2s are 10 5 3s are 15 5 4s are 20 5 5s are 25 5 6s are 30 5 7s are 35 5 8s are 40 5 9s are 45. So we will write here 5 and 4 here in the place of tens. Yes, now answer is 45. Now let's do again, it is a very simple sum. So 5 zeros are 0 and 5 1s are 5, so 10 5s are 50. Now 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5. Now 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Yes, so in this manner we are able to solve these sums. Okay, now based on these questions I will give you few questions in notebook also, but before doing that let's do multiplication of 2-digit numbers with 1-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, we have done in previous way without regrouping and now we are going to do with regrouping. Right, carry वाले जो sums होते हैं वो. Okay, let's start doing it. See children, so let's start doing multiplication of 2-digit numbers with 1-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, कैरी करके जो सम्स करते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू राइट नाउ. ओके, सो वॉच इट केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू लर्न द मैनर आई एम डूइंग. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी. डू 2 8s are, so we have to read the table of 2 8 times. Right, so ये हमारी मर्जी है whether we will read the table of 2 8 times or we will read the table of 8 2 times. Right, आपको पता है या तो आप 2 को 8 times पढ़ो तो जो नंबर आएगा, या फिर 8 को 2 times पढ़ लो तो जो आंसर आएगा, क्योंकि आंसर तो दोनों ही उसमें सेम आएगा. यस, दोनों ही उसमें कंडीशन में आंसर जो है आपका सेम आएगा. राइट, तो मैं अब पढ़ रही हूँ 8 2s are. राइट, सो 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. सो 16 हम कैसे लिखते हैं, ऐसे लिखते हैं. अब यहाँ वंस की प्लेस वैल्यू पे हमें क्या लिखना है, 1 वाला नंबर लिखना है जो वंस पर आया है, और टेंस वाला जो होता है ये नंबर हमारा कहाँ चला जाता है, ऊपर कैरी. राइट, दिस नंबर विल गो अबव the number of tens number so that we will add it on to the answer of tens place value. Yes, तो हम इसको जब टेंस वाले आंसर का हम निकालेंगे तब हम उसको क्या करेंगे, तब हम उसको ऐड कर लेंगे. यस, सो 16 है, 16 में वंस प्लेस वैल्यू पे क्या आएगा, 6, और 1 कहाँ जाएगा, ऊपर कैरी. यस, नाउ 4 2s are how much, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is how much, 9, so 96 will be the answer. Now see the next question. 4 6 are how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. सो अगेन 24, तो 4 आपका वंस प्लेस पर आ जाएगा और 2 आपका कहाँ जाएगा? कैरी ओवर. ठीक. 4 5s are how much? 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Yes. Now see, 5 4s are how much? 20. 0, 2 will go carry. And 5 3s are 15. 15 and 2, 17. 17 will be the answer. Okay children, now let's do the book exercise based on these questions. Open your page number 108 and here is your exercise 7E. Okay, let's do. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 will go carry over. 1 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 3 8s are how much? So I can read table of 8 also 3 times. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 4 2 will go carry. Right, now I will write 2 3 2s are how much? 6. 6 plus 2 8. I will write here 8. Now see, 8 2s are how much? 16. 6 1 will go carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 will come. Now 2 7s are how much? 14. 14 4 will remain here and 1 will go carry. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 4 5s are 20. 0, 2 will go carry. And 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. Yes, so these are the sums which we have to do in our textbook. Okay, now open your notebook and let's continue the exercise in notebook also. So yesterday on 21 we have done these sums in notebook. Yes, number line and then the doubles. Now we have to continue. Yes, so put exercise 3 and write today's date 22/8/2020 and then write the heading, multiply the following, and then you have to note down these questions. Yes, now see, the first question is 42 multiplied by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Yes, now see, 33 multiplied by 1. So 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. Answer is 33. Now see, 43 multiplied by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now see here. 2 6s are how much? 6 2s are how much? Same. So we can multiply in the another method also. Yes, 6 2s are also we can do. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so 12 आया. Then 6 2s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12. 2 1 will go carry over. 2 5s are how much? 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Yes. Now see, 5 3s are how much? 15. 5 1 will go carry. And 5 6 are, let's read the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. Okay, in this manner you can do these sums also, right children? So I am giving you this in your PDF and you have to do it in a very neat and clean handwriting and in the same manner I have done in notebook. Okay, बिल्कुल आपको ऐसे ही काम करना है कि 100 10s 1s के बाद एक ब्लॉक आपको छोड़ना है इस तरीके से. देन यू हैव टू डू इन द सेम मैनर जैसे मैंने किया है, बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरा नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर. ओके, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.